Wait, did you know there's a planet where it rains diamonds? You live on one planet, but what if you could visit them all? From boiling skies to icy giants, let's explore every planet in our solar system. Fast, fun, and facts only. First, meet the sun, the center of it all. No sun, no us. It's a giant glowing ball of hydrogen and helium. 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. Temperature? About 15 million degrees Celsius in its core. It doesn't burn like fire. It's a nuclear fusion factory. That means it smashes atoms together to release energy, which becomes light and heat for our entire solar system. Say hello to Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, but surprisingly not the hottest. It's tiny, only a bit bigger than our moon, has no atmosphere, and is basically a burnt rock. Daytime temps? 430 degrees Celsius. At night, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Because no atmosphere to trap heat, no moons, no rings, and a year lasts just 88 Earth days. Imagine having your birthday 4 times a year. Now meet Venus, Earth's twin in size but not in vibes. Covered in clouds of sulfuric acid and surface temps hotter than Mercury, 465 degrees Celsius, Venus is a greenhouse gone wild. Atmosphere? 96% carbon dioxide. Pressure? Like being 900 meters underwater. Rains acid. Winds that can tear houses apart. And get this, Venus spins backwards, so the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Oh, and one day on Venus is longer than its year. Yup, hell in space, Earth. The only planet known to host life, and the only one with pizza and shawarma. Perfect distance from the sun, the Goldilocks zone, liquid water, protective magnetic field, and a diverse atmosphere of nitrogen and oxygen. Oh, and a moon that stabilizes our seasons. Earth also has plate tectonics, which recycle the crust, create mountains, and shake things up with earthquakes. Population, 8 billion humans, and billions more creatures we're still discovering. Next stop, Mars, the red planet. It's red because of iron oxide, basically rust. Mars is cold, dry, and has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. It also has a canyon system, Valles Marineris, that makes the Grand Canyon look like a crack in the sidewalk. Scientists believe it once had water and maybe even life. Now, dust storms, ice caps, and robot rovers everywhere. Elon Musk is taking notes. This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, so big it could swallow 1,300 Earths. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium, it doesn't have a solid surface. Famous feature? The Great Red Spot, a 300-year-old storm twice the size of Earth. Jupiter has 95 moons, and counting, including Europa, which might have an ocean beneath its icy shell, meaning life could be hiding under there. It also has rings. Not as glamorous as Saturn's, but still counts. Welcome to Saturn, the gas giant with iconic rings. Those rings, made of ice, dust, and rock chunks, some as big as houses. Saturn is almost all gas. If you dropped it in water and had a giant space bathtub, it would float. It has over 140 moons, including Titan, which has lakes and rivers of liquid methane and its own thick atmosphere. Wild fact, a day on Saturn lasts just 10.7 hours because it spins super fast. Say hey to Uranus, the weirdest spinning planet. It's tipped on its side at 98 degrees, rolling around the sun like a beach ball. Uranus is an ice giant full of icy water, methane, and ammonia. That methane gives it its bluish color. It also has 13 rings and 27 moons, most named after Shakespeare characters. And despite being so far, it's actually colder than Neptune, minus 224 degrees Celsius. That's the coldest planet in the solar system. Last in line, Neptune, dark, deep blue, and a stormy powerhouse. This ice giant has the fastest winds in the solar system, over 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, orbits backwards and might be a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. Neptune also has rings, storms, and wild seasons that last over 40 Earth years. But wait, The solar system isn't done showing off. There's the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, home of Ceres, a dwarf planet. Then comes the Kuiper belt, a zone of icy bodies, where Pluto lives. Yes, Pluto still matters. Even beyond that is the Oort cloud, a massive shell of icy debris, source of long-period comets. Earth is the only planet not named after a Roman god. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's. A day on Venus is 243 Earth days, but its year is 225. Uranus and Neptune are mostly ice, not gas, despite being gas giants. So why care about all this space stuff? Because knowing our solar system is like reading the first chapter of a giant cosmic book, and we're just getting started. Exploring space teaches us about climate, survival, life, and ourselves. It reminds us that Earth is rare and fragile. You're not just standing on a planet, you're riding a tiny spaceship through a beautiful wild universe.